I'm reviewing the Elevating Bluetooth Speaker Magnetic UFO with 5W stereo surround sound and 360-degree rotation. I bought this on Amazon for $135. It has two color options, silver and black. I chose the black one because it matches my other accessories. I have to say, if you own or want this product, you're truly a geek like me. When I first discovered this product, it made me think of Star Trek, and I just had to have it. I was only a couple months on the carrier when my parents went to see Star Trek Generations. Everyone in the theater was giving my parents looks for bringing a baby into a movie theater. But I watched the entire movie. My parents say it was the longest I had stayed awake at this point. My parents believe to this day that that's what spiked my interest in the sci-fi and tech world. Enough chit-chat, let's get unboxing. This device has 360-degree rotation. It has a built-in 5W audio drivers for full quality surround sound. It has Bluetooth 4.0, which ensures instant pairing and maintains a strong connection up to 32 feet. It connects easily with smartphones, cell phones, laptops, and any other Bluetooth-enabled device. The Elevating UFO speaker uses wireless charging technology, so it can be charging while it's still levitating. The touch control base allows you to turn the LED light on and off simply by touching the little button on the base. It has extra long play times built in, which offers 8 hours of continuous playtime off the base with only a 4-hour charge time. The package includes the UFO Bluetooth speaker, the elevating base, the USB charging cable, the AC adapter, and the user manual. The directions say congratulations for purchasing the Levitation Anti-Gravity Speaker, the latest advancement in magnetic levitation technology, which incorporates nature's two main forces, gravity, which pushes down, and magnetism, which pushes up. It sits to sit comfortably on a stable, non-rocking chair at a dining room table or something of similar height, and to place the magnetic base on the table right in front of you and plug it in. It says the magnetic balance point is located at the center of the base, and that to hold the speaker gently in both hands with the thumbs and index fingers at the height of about a foot above the base, and then lower the magnet to the magnetic balance point, which you'll find to be approximately 10 to 15 meters above the base. It says you'll know when you approximately reach this point because the speaker will almost feel balanced in midair and not falling down or being pushed up. The directions state that finding the exact location point will take practice and patience, and that the first time you successfully levitate your speaker, you'll feel a sense of exhilaration over your accomplishment. This was definitely the case. I'll say this device definitely has a steep learning curve. It took me a good 30 minutes to successfully levitate this for the first time. I learned that having the touch sensor face me was a major mistake and caused failed attempts every time. Once I turned the base with a touch sensor and the wall plug was horizontal to me, I had a lot of success. In fact, I only had one failed attempt out of 20. My overall review of this device is a 90 out of 100. It's made well, it connects to Bluetooth easily, and is a great gift for any geek such as myself. I would advise caution when gifting to younger children because it does have a strong magnet, and I can see the potential for the base or the speaker being damaged if you don't take your time to properly levitate the device. Once I learned the trick to getting this device to levitate, I've had zero problems, and it has been a great addition to my home. Until next time.